Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Apple ID balance instead of the credit card in 2026. So first of all, you need to open the settings of your iPhone. Now inside the settings on the top, you are going to see your name and your profile. So simply tap on this option. When you are inside, look for the option of payment and shipping. Inside payment and shipping, simply look for the option of Apple ID. So over here you are going to see your Apple ID balance. So make sure that you actually have enough balance for the purchase. Now your Apple ID balance should only work if you logged into the same Apple ID on your device. So you can check this in the settings and in your name. Now you need to go to the App Store, iTunes, or any of the Apple services. Then you need to buy the app subscription or items that you normally would. Apple will automatically use your Apple ID balance first and then use your card if needed. Now you need to go to the payment and the shipping option again and make sure that the Apple ID balance is listed at the top of the payment methods. If not, you can reorder your payment method so that balance is used first. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.